We gotta talk about habits because most of what people preach about is totally fake. Everyone wants to talk about willpower like you're just supposed to magically bite down, grit your teeth, and force yourself to transform your life. But let's be real, willpower is exhausting. It runs out by 2 p.m. on a Tuesday when you're just stressed, tired, and just want to crash. If your whole strategy relies on feeling inspired or forced, you're gonna fail, period. Good habits aren't about being some disciplined superhero. They're about making it ridiculously hard to ruin your own day. The reason most guys fail at building new habits is because they try to change everything at once. You decide you're gonna hit the gym 6 days a week, eat clean, read a book a day, and stop drinking caffeine. You last 3 days, you burn out, you eat a pizza, and you feel like a piece of trash. Stop doing that to yourself. Pick one thing, just one, and make it so small it feels stupid. You want to start working out? Don't start with a 2-hour grueling session. Start with walking out the door for 10 minutes. You want to read more? Read 2 pages, that's it. The point isn't the workout or the pages. The point is proving to your brain that you actually show up. Here's the part no one wants to admit. Building good habits is boring. It's not exciting, it's repetitive and glamorous work that nobody is ever gonna clap for you doing it. It's making your bed, it's packing your lunch instead of ordering door delivery. It's going to sleep at this hour even when there's another episode playing. You're not waiting for a spark, you're just building a system. When you stop treating habits like a massive life overhaul and start treating them like basic hygiene, just things you do because you're an adult who respects himself, everything shifts. Look at your life right now. It's literally just the sum of what you repeated for the last 2 to 5 years. That's it. If you don't like where you're sitting, look at your daily routine. You don't need a massive revelation to fix it. You just need to stop lying to yourself about the small stuff. Fix one habit this week, master it, then stack another on top of it next month. In a year, you won't even recognize the guy in the mirror, and you won't have needed a single motivational speech to get there. Stop overthinking it, just go do the work.